Meditation for sleep is a practice that can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and improve the overall quality of your sleep. It involves calming your mind and body, reducing stress and anxiety, and creating a sense of relaxation and inner peace. Here are some tips on how to meditate for sleep. Find a comfortable and quiet place to meditate. Choose a place where you won't be disturbed, and where you feel relaxed and comfortable. Set the mood. Dim the lights, light some candles or incense, or play some soft, calming music to create a soothing atmosphere. Get into a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion or lie down on your back with your arms at your sides. Whatever position you choose, make sure it's comfortable and you can relax fully. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Then, focus on your breath, feeling the sensation of air moving in and out of your body. Relax your body. Starting from the top of your head, consciously relax each part of your body, releasing any tension or tightness. Visualize a wave of relaxation flowing down your body, from your head to your toes. Practice mindfulness. Instead of trying to control your thoughts, simply observe them without judgment. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Use guided meditations. There are many guided meditations specifically designed for sleep that you can use to help you relax and fall asleep. You can find them online or through meditation apps. By practicing meditation for sleep regularly, you can train your mind and body to relax and let go of the day's stresses, promoting restful sleep and better overall health.